Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Volkswagen Golf, stock number 6511. This ran from the 12th, 2012 to the 8th, 2020. It has a CXSA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a CXSA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. The front door mirror. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,